The freezer's not running very good, but the fridge isn't running at all. It's not saying cold. I think it might be the fan not turning on over here. But the evaporator fan from a Whirlpool refrigerator is not working. So when I opened it up the first time, there's a bunch of mildew in there. So that tells me water made its way in. And I think it's right here that the issue is. Look, that just slides right back and forth. But I think water made its way in there. And then it worked its way down this side of the circuit board. I was able to get the other one in there. Now it looks different, but it does fit perfectly. And as you can see, it's running. But that's the replacement part. It is OEM. Even though it looks different, it'll fit in there perfectly. You just got to make sure you're using that rubber, rubber gasket guy. It's not really a gasket, it's just kind of holding it in place. Yeah, I think that's on that side. Yeah, there's the rubber piece right there. As long as you got that, and this guy, and you can see it just clips right in. And it's working.